Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you a sweet dessert recipe that is with milk bread and custard milk. This dessert is a creative twist on the classic bread pudding using milk bread and a semi-creamy custard milk. It's a perfect dessert for special occasions, holidays or potlucks, and this is a very good evening snack for kids. It is very simple and easy to make. Come, let's dive into the cooking process. To start, I am taking around 500 ml of full cream milk. Bring it to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar. Let the sugar dissolve into the boiling milk. Mix it well nicely. Now add some saffron strands. Stir it continuously so that you will find a very good color from the saffron strands. Now take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard powder. I have taken vanilla flavor. Add some raw milk into it and mix it nicely. Now add the mixed mixture into the boiling milk. Stir continuously up to 2 minutes until it gets thickens. Once it gets thickens, add half tablespoon of cardamom powder into it. Chopped pista of around half tablespoon and chopped almonds of around half tablespoon, and keep this mixture aside for some time. Take 4 bread slices and cut them into equal 4 parts. Now it is ready to deep fry. Add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil into a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. Let's fry the bread slices both the sides until it turns into light golden brown color. Don't over fry, let it be in light brown color. Once it turns into a light golden brown color, transfer all the fried bread slices into a plate and keep aside. Now arrange the fried bread slices in a flat bowl, creating a single layer. Pour the custard milk sauce over the bread layer, making sure to cover the entire surface. Repeat the same steps for 2 to 3 layers, ending with a layer of custard milk sauce on top. Garnish with some chopped pista and almonds for added texture, flavor and visual appeal. And that's it. Your milk bread and custard milk sweet dessert is now ready to be served. The crispy fried bread slices and creamy custard milk sauce and the crunchy chopped nuts will create a delightful texture and flavor combination that's sure to impress your family and friends. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you all. Bye bye all.